Nicole, a little bird flew by and told me you got a little bit of that new.
Yeah, we got some new
stuff over here?
That we do, yeah. So we always have new stuff. One of my favorite parts of my job really is that we are extremely innovative. Every year we come out with over 200 new innovations. You can see just a few of them here, but really exciting and always used in different applications and areas, so cool stuff.
Yeah, Nicole, I was actually going to segue from the new into the standard. I was going to make a joke about me being old and this being old, but let's just say wise or tried and true or proven.
Wise and experienced.
Proven,
yeah,
yes,
exactly.
Wise and experienced. All right, we're talking bearings today. We're excited about bearings.
Yep.
There are so many along this road, but each of them have their own unique function in a different industry, don't they?
They do, absolutely. So what you see here are slewing rings. Again, they're using our plastic liners as the technology behind them. We have a variety of different styles, I would say. So we have everything from lower profile styles to belt driven as well as spur gear driven, a wide variety of different configurations. We can make them modular. We can change some of the machining for you, different bolt patterns. We have hand clamping, FDA compliant versions, really anything that you need. Again, lifetime calculation on our website. We can tell you what the required drive torque would be for these, as well as how long they'll last in your application. So used for a variety of different areas, including seating, any type of satellite tracking, just to name a few, medical, lab devices, really everything that you can think of.
It's kind of like you've done this before, Nicole.
I have,
A little bit,
Once
right.
or twice.
So if we're going to go through all of these bearings and this whole row and some components that are moving, that's kind of fun, by the way. How do we make bearings fun or sexy or exciting?
Yeah.
How, when the audience is watching right now and they're going, man, Nicole is amazing, but bearings, they're just bearings. That's not true, is it?
It is
How
absolutely
do we
not
make
true.
These things so fun.
Yeah, so I think what makes them unique and fun really is all the different places that they can be used and all the different advantages that they really offer. So there's so many exciting things in so many different areas. And what's really great is with a lot of different automation happening, we're learning and seeing these being used in ways we never imagined, right? So as the world moves and as the world innovates, we do as well. So
never imagined. That's hard for me to believe because I know you have an imagination. You're that type of person that says impossible. Nah, I'm possible. Do you have some of your favorites along here that you'd like to highlight, to discuss?
Yeah, I mean, really the slewing rings that we just passed are definitely one of my favorites. We have a lot of Zyros, we call them ball bearings. So here you can see some conveyor systems. They're utilizing our technology along with a different material, whether it be brushed steel for anti-static or PVC, aluminum, stainless steel, anything you can think of, whatever you need for your particular application. But those are a really cool product for me. We also have what we call now our iGuball 2.0. So you see some metal, but you also see, again, the plastic technology inside, used for really heavy duty type applications. Used everywhere that you can think of. These are really great for any type of misalignment that you might see.
Let's talk quickly about plastics as we move a little bit forward, Nicole, and that's because you guys do a ton of plastic. I mean, it's behind us. Motion plastics improve what moves, right? But what I want to also bring up is that you're simultaneously caring about the green.
Yeah,
you're caring about
absolutely.
the ecosystem as well. Some of this is going to be recycled materials.
Yeah.
It's going to be able to be used over and over again, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So when we hear plastics, we're like, oh, destroying the earth. We're not doing that.
No.
We care, and it's quality at the same time.
We do. Yep, absolutely. It's quality at the same time, and we have a number of new materials that are recycled and regranulated down into something different, make new bearings out of them, other things out of them. We have the same thing on our energy chain side with our change program, where you can send that back, get a voucher, and we'll take that and recycle it as well.
Nicole, you've been here a couple of years now at Igus, right?
Yeah, quite a few.
Couple of years.
Yep.
You seem to have a lot of this memorized. When I walked in here, I feel like I'm in an adult science museum.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm a kid again, watching things spin and move and play. Do you feel the same way after all these years?
I do. I absolutely do. I love it, right? It's so exciting. Always having new products to talk about, having new areas, new industries, new applications is always fun for me. No day is the same. I think we use the term enjoyneering, which is, really having engineers enjoy what they do, and we feel the same way about it. So
Is there a slang for enjoy median? I don't know. I'm trying to work it out here, but I'm really enjoying my time with you, talking bearings, talking about all this technology as well. All right, we're going to wrap this one up, Nicole. We have one or two little spaces here.
Sure.
Is there anything you want to highlight, or just the overall Igus bearing situation?
Yeah, I think the overall Igus bearing situation is what you see. There are so many different opportunities and areas, and again, using configuration tools, using our online tools to be sure with confidence that our products will work in your application is what we're here for. Feel free to reach out for any samples that you might need. We'll make sure that we send you working samples for your particular area.
All right, and the last question, we're going to do it again. It's the hard one. Do you love what you do?
I do.
Well, that's a good thing, because you're better at my job than I am, and I could lose my job thanks to Nicole. I'm glad she likes it at Igus. Thank you all for watching. This is how we make bearings fun and sexy. Just hire Nicole. She'll help you do it.